Today in this tutorial video we are going to see how to create a interface using our software VSFT V6 and then upload that data on our simulator panel HMI on that HMI. So let's see how we are going to do that. So first we will draw or we will program one PLC program on SX standard, which I have already done. This program is very simple. I have taken one switch whose addressing I have done it x0.7, then this is the push button, and then I have connected one output. You can see here this is a buzzer, addressing is y0.47. so this is a simple program which I have already loaded on PLC. Now I am minimizing it and opening the VSFT V software. Yeah, everybody knows that this is the screen of our HMI's on simulator panel. So we have, if we want to bring that interface of HMI on our screen, then first open the software, then you will see that here it is transfer. You can see that on then click on transfer, then go upload. You will see here, then in upload click here. This is, you can say that this setting will be the by default. So just click on PC. You can see here that data is transferring, and you can see here in our PLC also like that something is showing. So wait for a few seconds. So you can see that once the communication and data transfer between HMI and the software is done, then this screen will be open on our software. So go on here, you can see here that it is screen list. Click on that. You can see there are many short pages will be open. Then click on second page. Yeah, this one. Double click, then again one window will be open. Then in this window I have already draw the program for the PLC interface for that program. So just to minimize the time and effort, I will only demonstrate how I have done. So for creating one switch, click on switch, then drag and drop, then click on double click. Then one thing you must remember that device to output setting, first select PLC, then here choose for memory, and address of the memory you can see from here. In SX programmer I have given M11, so I have given the address 1. So in here I have also taken 1, that's why I have taken 1 here. Then click on finish, or if you want to do some changes like here color, what should be the color in on and what should be the color in off, so you can customize here, which I have already explained in the previous video. Then go on this output buzzer. This is the buzzer, and this is the buzzer style there. Yeah, again here the main thing which we have to remember is that you can do this further setting like customize color type, everything you can. One of the most important steps we should never skip is that this addressing. Change here PLC1, then Y as this is the output, so we have to choose Y, and then add the address. You can see here, this is the address 47 in last step, because our output address is 47. You can see, that's why I have given the addressing. After doing this, click on finish, then again go on transfer. Then in this, now we want this screen to be uploaded on that simulator HMI. Then go on download, select this PC, then click on yes, then cancel it. Again you can see that data is transferring. Just wait for a moment. Now you can see here that data transfer is over. Now we will go on simulator. Just tap here. You can see the interface is ready. So when we will click, you can see the color of the button as well as output both changes, and buzzer start. That's, thank you.